Are you tired of installing heavy torrent software? Dealing with slow downloads? Or leaving your PC on all night to seed files? Let me show you a better way. With Seedr.cc, Seedr is a cloud-based torrent client that lets you download and stream torrents without installing anything. It's fast, simple, and completely web-based. Once you're in, just paste a magnet link or upload a .torrent file, and Seedr will instantly start downloading the files for you, directly to the cloud. No more waiting for peers or worrying about Seedr's. Seedr's high-speed servers handle everything. And once your file is ready, you have full control. You can stream movies or TV shows online or download them directly to your phone or computer with a single click. Your downloads are private, secure, and accessible from anywhere, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Need more speed or extra storage? Upgrade to a premium plan and unlock even more power. So if you want a clean, fast, and hassle-free way to manage torrents, try Seedr.cc today. It's torrenting made simple. Thanks for watching.